Guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have been doing a little bit of yard work. So today is Wednesday, October 16th. I kind of have a few things to tell you guys about my channel and about what I'm doing for the rest of the week and the weekend. Excuse me. So come check this out. Now I did pull out some of the tomato plants and the sunflowers, but I still have a ton of peppers coming, which is really odd for October, but it's okay, I'll take it. I haven't done the corn yet, and they're looking pretty good, pretty big, nice sized corn. You can see how tall these are. Like, they're massive. Yeah, those corns I think are just done. My calendula is blooming very nicely. I'm still harvesting it. And I can't believe all these peppers for October, you guys. It seems a little bit odd. What else? Everything's just kind of plugging along here. My kale is making a comeback, so I'll start harvesting that again. Same with my sage. I still have a lot of zucchinis here to pick. And my pineapple sage, look at the flowers on it. Looking divine. So it should put on a show. Now, oh, look at all the flowers on it. Holy. So it's pretty tall. It's going to be quite beautiful if the flowers come to pass. Other than that, I'm going to be harvesting all the lower section again for tea. I've harvested probably, I don't know, 5 or 10 times now. The rest of the garden really does look like a hot mess. The beans did make a comeback, and there's lots there for me to harvest. And I think there's some on here too. I could be wrong. Yeah, they're still putting out some nice beans. My tomatoes are done. These are the only tomatoes that I didn't pull out yet. I pulled out all my Romas and that one. I did harvest my lavender, but it's giving me more flowers, so I'm super happy about that. Again, I still have a ton of peppers all throughout this garden that I need to harvest. But what I really came on here for today is to kind of finish my last video where I had done some shout outs at the end of the video, and I didn't complete it because there's so many of you guys and I love you so much that I want to give you some recognition for the support of my channel. Not only while I've been injured, but in general. Hang on here. Look at the birds are really, oh, look at this big spider. The birds are really enjoying the grapes this year, and I'm okay with that. So I ate 2 goji berries that I got off my goji berry plant this year, and I don't know, maybe it gives fruit every second year or something. That's what I'm hoping for anyway. And okay, so I have my list of stuff to talk about. Oh, it's a big mess over here. Oh well. Forgot my tripod anyways. So let me just have a little sit down and let's chat for a minute. Okay, so in my last video at the very end, I mentioned Andy Mon TV3. Hi, Kane. Hi, baby. What's doing? Hi. Oh, big boy. Okay, sorry. Okay, I mentioned, now I had said Loyalty Matters. Her channel name is Living After 50. Amazing content, amazing lady. Go check out her channel. Check out Andy Mon's channel. I had also mentioned FSA. Check out that channel, super supportive. D-Lo Flow Show, again, another super supportive subscriber of mine. And of course, Doran with The Source. An amazing, he is the source. May the source be with you. Okay. Now, other people, my top supporters. Eric the Kid. Man, you are amazing. You're out there conquering the world and still have the time to support me. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Real Outdoor Living. Again, an amazing family. You guys are all so awesome. I appreciate your content. I love watching you guys. You're something. You're an amazing family, and kudos to all of you for the work that you do and the love that you guys have for each other. Okay, so where am I now? A simple family lifestyle. And that is Susan in Australia, I believe. I could be wrong on the location. Layado. Man, you know, when I found that channel, I enjoyed just going and listening to the music. And the longer I have been going over there, the more I find the most amazing people. Lay herself is, she's cool, she's beautiful, she's talented, and she's a really true friend and supporter, and I appreciate her very, very much. I appreciate all of you guys, but she stands out to take the time to support a small channel like myself. Now, there's another person I want to shout out, and that's Zero Excuses with Christopher Lee. If you guys haven't gone and checked out his channel, he has MS, and he's a big man. He's like 6 foot plus. And he is living gracefully with MS and is such an inspiration to anybody that has any chronic illness or, you know, his outlook on life is truly amazing. His gratitude for God is heartwarming. So I really want you to go check out his channel. And he's another great supporter of mine. 5Gs. I love buckling up and going for a cruise. I love all the content on that channel. Please, again, if you have not checked out, oh, my arm's getting sore. It's kind of hard to hold this new camera, you guys. It's kind of awkward. Anyways, 5Gs, check out that channel. Amazing content. Simply Just Krista, another great content with a lot of real applicable life skills that you can learn from that lady. She is one of a kind and very, very sweet and very, very helpful. So check out Simply Just Krista. Who else I got here? Snapback Trishana. Lady, I am so proud of you. Congratulations on your monetization. Your live streams are really helping us all see how we can treat everybody with love, even the trolls. It's amazing. Another channel regarding that is Crystal's World. I was on her live stream and a troll came in and she won the troll's heart and now has a supporter. And that just goes to show how, you know, our patience and our unconditional love for everybody can really make a difference. Ellen Smile. Ellen, I love that you're going live, girl. I'm so proud of you. It's an amazing accomplishment. I know I still haven't done it. And I am kind of thinking about it, you guys. I just, you know, it just seems a little awkward to me. I still have to figure out the different ways of doing the, oops, there goes my notes, you guys. Doing my, to put it to subscribers only and stuff. Like, there's still a few things that I have to figure out, but I'm working on it and I am intending on going live. I just don't know when. Now, my notes are down there. Okay, so it is the 16th. It's Wednesday. Tomorrow, I am going on a road trip with a friend of mine. We're going to a little cabin in the woods just to take a little respite and just, you know, do some spiritual work and kind of talking and stuff, you know, just enjoying life. So, apparently there is no Wi-Fi at this place that we're going. Now, there's a chance I might still get some, but there's a chance I won't. I will try to film some content, and I will be going from Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and I'll be returning home on Sunday. So if you guys don't see me on the YouTube streets, know that you're in my heart, and I'm thinking about you, and I will catch up on your content when I get home. In the meantime, you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. So many of you are making such huge accomplishments. Oh, another channel I wanted to shout out was Local Reviewer. There's numbers behind the name, but I can't remember what that is. So check out that channel. There's so many, you guys. You know, when you find people that you really connect with, stick with them. I know that YouTube can be an overwhelming place to be, and you know, you want to support everybody, but don't forget about your own channel. I have been very, very distracted lately because I love supporting you guys. I love watching your content. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, I also noticed that a lot of my comments were not staying. Again, I'm going back to videos that I know I watched and commented, and my comments aren't there. So know that I am with all of you, and I am doing my best to keep up with all your content. Oh, Living Jay's Way. That's another channel I would love for you guys to check out. You know, she really needs the watch time, as everybody does. So yeah, and last but not least, Queen V. Now, what is it? Random Life with Queen V. Now, she has two channels. She has that, and she has the other channel with Malcolm, and it's Couples Therapy Unmedicated, and it is hilarious. It's fun. I haven't seen her around lately, so I don't know what's going on. But again, check that out. And let's all just grow together, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for coming by my channel. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I always forget to say that. And let's do this. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Love you guys. Bye.